Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to find adjoint matrix for a 3x3 matrix. So here, the given matrix is 3x3. First of all, what is adjoint matrix? The transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix transpose. It gives adjoint matrix. So for the matrix A, if you find cofactor matrix, then apply transpose, then we can get adjoint matrix. So in the shortcut method, the benefit is there is no confusion for plus minus sign while finding cofactor matrix. So first of all, we are going to find cofactor matrix by using shortcut. Let's see here. In the shortcut method, first of all, we are going to start from second row. So in the second row, second column element. So first of all, start the process of second row with second column element. So write the element as like this, that is cos pi. Next in the second row, next element, that is 0. Next sin pi. Now again end with the same element, cos pi. So observe carefully here, cos pi, next 0, again sin pi, next cos pi. So the same process, the same pattern apply for third row. So start 0 here, next 1, next 0, end with 0, starting element. Now apply for first row, minus sin pi, next 0, cos pi, next minus sin pi. We started with second row, now end with second row, means write the first row as is here. So that is cos pi, next 0, sin pi, cos pi. Now apply det for 2 by 2 matrices in this matrix. Means for this matrix apply det, we get one value. For this matrix we get one value. For this matrix we get one value. So like that apply det for all the 2 by 2 matrices. So here we will get the det equal to cos pi. Now here we will get sin pi, next 0, next sin pi here, next here cos pi, next here 0, next here 0, next here 0, next here 1. This is a cofactor matrix. Now transpose this matrix will get adjoint matrix. Transpose means interchange of rows and columns. So this first column as written as first row, that is cos pi, sin pi, next 0. Now convert this second row as second column as second row, sin pi, cos pi, 0. Now convert third column as third row, it is 0, 0, 1. So this is adjoint matrix for the given matrix A. This is the process of simplification for getting the adjoint matrix by using the shortcut method. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks. Don't forget, if you have any doubts, please comment.